Hey, this is Vic back with another product review today. Today I'm going to be reviewing a motorcycle wheel cleaning stand purchased from Harbor Freight. I purchased it at my local Harbor Freight today, and it was $23.99 I believe, or $24.99 on sale, so it's a great deal. To get started, it comes with a little bit of instructions. The maximum weight capacity is 500 pounds. I assume that is not the weight of the motorcycle, but the load capacity of the stand itself at any one time. So if your motorcycle weighs like 1,000 pounds, given roughly for 50% weight distribution, that'd be 500 pounds per tire. For some reason it has assembly instructions. It is actually all assembled, but it does have a parts list, and I'll just run through that, just making a quick note that there are bearings for the axles, so that's always a good thing, and it has a 90-day warranty. As far as construction goes, it feels like it's all aluminum. It's not heavy, but it's not light. I'm guessing these could be solid, but I'm not really sure. They might be tubular in the same manner that this ramp is. And it's got rubber feet on the bottom to help keep it from sliding around. So I'm going to go try it on the bike now. What I'm going to use to help stabilize the motorcycle is some hook and loop material that I will cut probably about a foot and a half length of, and wrap that around the brake lever, and that way when the rear tire is on the stand and able to roll, the front brake will be locked. There are kits that have a little hockey puck and a roller stand like this, and then a little bit of Velcro, and so I'm just basically copying that idea. This is going to literally be my first attempt at this. Now you can see it's totally on the rollers. One thing, like I said, these kits come with is I literally might be a hockey puck. Some people just say maybe use a 2x4. It is putting more pressure on the side stand right now because of increasing that angle. As far as the bike tipping over, I'm pulling on it gently, very gently, and I don't feel like the bike's ready to go over or anything like that. But I think just to remove a little bit of the pressure on the side stand there, I think I'm going to put something under there. That's about 3/4 of an inch. So I'm just going to try to spin the tire, and let's see what happens. Oh. Now supposedly as long as you rotate it forward, it won't move on the stands. And actually, it did move a little bit, but now that it has gotten to a certain point, it is not moving anymore. Or at least, it's not moving enough that you could rotate it a couple times and take care of business. This is a 600-pound motorcycle, so it actually weighs quite a bit. And I'm not going to say this is the easiest thing to do, but it's not difficult. I'm going to call this a win. For 25 bucks or whatever, it's real hard to beat that. I'd say go for it. If anything wears out on it, it's probably going to be the bearings, and those are replaceable anyway. So, wow, I'm actually really impressed. Well, my uses for this are going to be to clean the tire and also clean and lube the chain. The way the exhaust and accessibility to the chain on this bike is pretty limited. As for safety, never start your motorcycle. Don't even put your keys in the ignition, that if you got a friend that could goof around, anything like that. This is not a running stand. This is not a dyno. This is not any kind of toy. It's strictly power off. Strictly keep safety in mind when using this thing. Don't start your motorcycle ever. Have it running. Don't start it to test it. Don't put it in gear and just let the clutch out. Don't do anything along those lines. Be smart. Be safe. Use this as it's intended to be used. And go out and have some fun on your bike. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions or ideas, just leave a comment.